Hey everyone, it's Miss Riley. Welcome to the 2020-21 school year at Bailey Middle School. I'm not going to lie, this is about take 25 on the virtual open house for dance. So I think we're going to get through it this time. I'm Miss Riley. I've been the dance teacher here at Bailey for the past 9 years. I love it, and it's become really a home away from home. I do live in Huntersville with my husband Brian and our two boys. Alex is a rising 7th grader here at Bailey, and Ben attends Huntersville Elementary and will be in 4th grade there. We have a 4-year-old pit mix rescue dog, Henry. And during quarantine, we have to get caught up on what everyone's doing. I started hand knitting at first when we were really trapped. Then I moved on to making wreaths. And then finally, baseball started. So we got out there and spent some 100-degree weekends on a baseball field. Then I was wishing I was going to a beach, but instead I've signed up for a virtual race from the Blue Ridge to the beach with my neighbor. So we have 475 miles to go until February. Okay, so when do we do dance and how do we get there this year? So, how you get there is you will log on daily to your dance Canvas course to access our class, which will have announcements, our live class links, and our modules. I will see my 8th grade students 10:50 until 12. 6th grade, I will meet you all 12:30 to 1:40, and 7th grade elective, we will have class between 1:45 and 2:55. Take note, if you are an 8th grade performance dance student, you have your class assigned first semester B days. If you are 7th grade performance dance, it is second semester B days. So if that does not appear right on your schedule, please contact me and we will get that squared away. So, what does dance look like this year? And what do you need? So, it'll be a little different. The space will be different. The performance perspective may change, but one thing's for sure, we are still going to learn a lot. We're still going to have a lot of fun. Our 6th grade focus will be an introduction to our elements of dance. We're going to learn a class warm up. We will do a class dance and group choreography, and then move into cultural dance then and now. 7th grade focus, we will have an introduction and review of the elements of dance. We will do a class warm up, another class dance, group choreography. We will move into dance for artistic expression and then have a choreographer study and performance at the end of the semester. 8th grade, our focus is on review of the elements of dance. We're going to start off with actually an interactive video dance project, then move into getting our warm up underway, another class dance, and then talk about North Carolina dance history, and then my favorite social dance of the 20th and 21st century. Our 7th and 8th grade performance dance students, you're going to continue to develop in a variety of dance techniques and forms. You're also going to take part in ultra bar dance conditioning pretty regularly. Also, that helps enhance your dance quality. We are going to have some virtual dance opportunities that will be live, recorded, and performed. So we'll talk about that as the first semester moves on. What do I need for dance? Okay, everybody needs to be ready to move. For live class or planned movement time, you need space that's about an arm's length apart in all directions. You need to be able to sit in a V sit comfortably. If you have any concerns about your space available to you, please let me know and we'll get that figured out. Movable clothing, so make sure you're in nice, movable, athletic type of attire, and make sure bare feet are fine, socks are good. Make sure the hair is pulled back from your face, no jewelry. Watch extra excess clothing. Sometimes that gets in the way. Fluids, make sure you're drinking as much water as possible. This is ideal for not just your body, but also your mind. We're going to be working our brains extra hard being online, so make sure you have your water. Chromebook. For right now, just have your Chromebook and access Canvas and get on to the live class and the asynchronous modules, and then we'll go from there if we need anything additional. Also, also, mindset to come to class every day just to let loose. Dance has always been fun. It's good to move. It's good for you. It's good for the mind, the body. So use our dance class as an opportunity to take advantage of that movement. So if you need to reach me at any point during the school year, best way is email at it's Deanna L. Riley at CMS, or you can jump on the website that will have a lot of information how you can get in touch with me. And the dance website is broncosdance.weebly.com. I look forward to meeting everybody, and I hope everyone has a wonderful, wonderful school year. Take care.